In 2017 in Malaysia, the Kuala Lumpur Metro Line 1 was fully opened, becoming one of the most important rail lines in Malaysia's capital. Spanning over 50 kilometers, the line connects the north and south of the city, serving hundreds of thousands of passengers daily. The emergency telephones supplied by KOON technology play a vital role in passenger safety. Whether in emergencies or daily safety management, KOON Technology's emergency telephones remain dependable. KOON Technology products are installed across major stations along the metro line, ensuring secure communication for passengers. For over 20 years, KOON Technology has supplied products to more than 120 countries and 500 metro lines and railway worldwide, trusted by clients and passengers. KOON Technology, the global leader in rail communication safety. KOON Tech, leading global industrial communication.